Google DeepMind's latest robotics release is bigger than a single model. It is a three-part system designed to help robots move, reason, and operate more independently in the real world. But first, there is something worth knowing. 82% of our viewers who watch our content have not subscribed to the channel yet. Joining our community will just take a moment of your time. It would just be a click of a button for you. And on the other hand, it would help us bring you more stories like this. So do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. With that, let's get straight back to the story. Gemini Robotics 2 is the vision language action model that converts what a robot sees and hears into physical movement. It can control everything from humanoid robots to simpler two-armed machines. Gemini Robotics ER2 serves as the reasoning layer. It plans tasks, breaks instructions into steps, and tracks progress across jobs that can last several minutes. Then, of course, there is Gemini Robotics on device 2. It is a lightweight version that runs directly on the robot without relying on an internet connection. Google says that it can adapt to an entirely new robot body in just a few hours of using it as few as 200 training samples. Google's demonstrations focused on both mobility and dexterity. In one example, Apptronic's Apollo 2 robot was instructed to place a watering can into a bin on a low shelf. The robot walked across the room, picked up the can, navigated to the correct location, and completed the task from a single instruction. Google says that the system can also perform more delicate actions, including screwing in a light bulb and tying knots, and even calling external tools like Google Search when needed. The biggest upgrade is, of course, the collaboration. Gemini Robotics ER2 can coordinate multiple robots on the same task, dividing work between machines with different capabilities. In one demonstration, a wheeled robot and a humanoid robot split a cleaning assignment between them. Google also showed the system directing a Boston Dynamics spot robot to retrieve a snack. The broader goal is to move beyond single-purpose robots and towards a fleet of machines that can really work together on more complex jobs. Google says ER2 achieved an 82.4% score on its internal benchmark for judging whether an action was successfully completed or not. According to the company, that places it ahead of various Gemini versions as well as comparison models from OpenAI and Anthropic used in testing. On the safety side, Google introduced a new benchmark called ASIMOV Agentic. The benchmark evaluates whether a robot knows when to refuse potentially dangerous instructions, asking for human intervention, or stop when someone enters its operating space. ER2 can also detect nearby people and bring a robot to a safe halt when necessary. Ladies and gentlemen, here of course is the front page take on the story. Google is developing the system alongside partners including Apptronic, Boston Dynamics, and Agile Robots, while testing it with more than 100 trusted organizations. And even DeepMind is describing this as a milestone, but not a finished product yet. There is still a significant gap between a robot successfully completing a scripted demo and a robot really handling the unpredictability of a real home or a factory or a warehouse for that matter. So here's the question. Is multi-robot teamwork the breakthrough that finally makes household and warehouse robots practical? Or would you say it's still a demo capability that is years away from working reliably outside a controlled setting? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.